Laundry rooms, they come in all shapes and sizes. Every household has different needs and desires. Miele understands and provides options to accommodate. Welcome to the WTV 502 Stacking Kit Installation video. In this video, we will guide you how to properly and securely install the WTV 502 stacking kit. This stacking kit will enable you to stack the dryer on top of your washer. This training video will cover what's in the box, tools needed, adjusting the dryer feet, attaching the felt seals, securing the frame to the washer top, securing dryer with the retaining brackets, and installing the fascia trim piece. As with any installation, safety must be one of the primary concerns. The installer must wear the appropriate protective equipment such as work gloves, back support belt, steel-toe footwear, and safety glasses. Warning: don't ever attempt to stack a washer on top of the dryer. This will cause a tipping hazard, which could lead to property damage and personal injury.
Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at what's in the box. Inside the box is the stacking kit frame, the fascia trim piece, the installation instructions, and the bag of installation hardware. The bag of installation hardware contains 6 felt seals, 6 flat head Torx screws, 2 raised head screws, and 2 retaining plates. Tools needed will be a T20 Torx screwdriver and a ruler. Please make sure you fully read the included installation instructions and warnings related to your specific stacking kit being installed. Let's start by adjusting all 4 dryer feet to 9/16 of an inch, 14 millimeters, measuring from the bottom dryer frame to the underside of each foot, like so. Before removing the stacking frame from the box, note the 2 sets of ribs, highlighted in red on the underside of the stacking frame. Once flipped over and placed on top of the washer for installation, these ribs is what will guide and help you position the frame into the best position for securing to the washer top. These spacer ribs is what will be used for US models with a curved fascia in place of the 3 attached spacer tabs. Now, remove the stacking frame from the box and place the frame on top of the washer, upside down, with these ribs facing up. Please also note the 6 screw hole locations, as this is where you will attach the 6 felt seals. Next, attach the 6 self-stick felt seals to the underside of the frame, as shown here. The installation of the felt rings are important, as this will help prevent vibration and noise during appliance operation. Now that the felt seals are attached, let's go ahead and flip the stacking frame back over, as we prepare to position and secure the frame to the washer top. Make sure the dryer foot holders, the open ends, are facing towards the front of the washer top, like so. Please also note the locations of where the 6 T20 screws will be installed. When positioning the stacking frame onto the washer top, move the stacking frame back to front and left to right to make sure the rib guides fall within the recessed area of the washer top. Make sure the ribs highlighted in red on the underside of the frame are within the recessed area of the washer top, highlighted in blue, as shown here. There will be slight play when moving the stacking frame left to right. When trying to center, slowly slide the stacking frame forward until the underside ribs hit and butts up against the front, inner recessed edge of the washer top. Then, adjust left and right as needed until centered, making sure the underside ribs are still resting against the front, inner recessed edge. When centered properly, there should be approximately 1/4 inch space on both the left and right side between the stacking frame and side edge of the washer top, and approximately 1 1/4 inch space in the center, measuring from the front edge of the stacking frame to the outer center edge of the washer fascia. Once in position, go ahead and insert the 6 T20 screws. The best way to install these T20 screws is to start by inserting the screw into the screwdriver tip first, then place into one of the 6 holes on the stacking kit frame. Then, tap the top of the screwdriver slightly with the palm of your hand to help self-tap the screw. Once the screw is set, start turning by hand, being careful not to over-tighten. Repeat this process for the remaining T20 screws. Once the stacking kit is secured to the washer top, confirm again we have proper foot height adjustment, as the next step will be placing the dryer on top of the washer. This will require 2 people to safely lift the dryer and place the 4 feet into the stacking kit track, as shown here. Make sure all 4 feet are slid into and are fully inserted into the foot holders on the stacking kit. Here is a view, looking through the top of the dryer down, showing all 4 dryer feet sliding into the 4 stacking kit foot holders. Again, make sure the front feet are fully inserted into these holders. Then, secure the dryer feet with the retaining brackets, like so. Make sure one end of the bracket is inserted behind the plastic tab here. Secure the other end of the bracket with one of the round head T20 screws. Again, screw in by hand only and be careful not to over-tighten. Repeat this process for securing the left side as well. Now that the front feet retaining brackets are installed, we can now proceed to the last step of the installation, installing the fascia trim cover. To install the fascia trim piece, note the 3 sets of tabs on the back of this fascia piece. These tabs will insert and click in as they lock into the front edge of the stacking kit on the washer. Now, to complete this stacking kit installation, let's go ahead and install this fascia trim cover, and we're all done.
This concludes this WTV 502 stacking kit installation video. Be sure to check back on our Miele YouTube channel for additional support videos. Thanks for watching.